So, you had an assignment to do and passed it straight to ChatGPT. Clever, and guess what? You aced your assignment with a clean A. Now you feel unstoppable, and you think that at the snap of your fingers, you can make AI do anything you want. Fine, you were right. Now you feel happy and want to exploit the capabilities of artificial intelligence, to earn you some cash. You start to think, perhaps building a full working system that answers some niche questions and then monetizing it. Of course, that's it. You finally figured it out. You make that great platform with AI, and it fetches you a lot. It looks like you just bought your brand new Porsche out of the sun. Okay, it's chilling time. You scroll through your phone while earning passively. Suddenly you see something rather shocking. Everyone, articles, newspapers, your neighbors, friends are all saying that AI would potentially take over your job in the nearest future. You start to panic, cry. You see the hopes of living a comfortable life on the Caribbean, all disappearing into the clouds. You think, how could such an emerging technology become something that wants to replace me? Oh no. I've got to figure out something, and fast. You try to level up your game, get acquainted with all the possible skills and make sure you're good at them, but something's wrong. You can't keep up with coding, design, content writing, and all of it at the same rate at this new technology, artificial intelligence. You realize that you can't keep up. AI may soon take over it all. But can I tell you the truth? It's natural. You just got to keep up with the trend. The real truth is, artificial intelligence is not really gonna to take over your job, but just augment it. Make sure you get used to every new AI trend around you: LLMs, machine learning, computer vision, speech recognition, ChatGPT, and whatnot, and you'd be well on your way to a great future with AI. To get you started, AI is currently divided into 3 branches. The first is narrow AI. This AI is the one which is perfectly good at a particular task which it is given, for example Siri. The second is broad AI. This AI is the one which can beat humans on a wide range of tasks which it is given, for example ChatGPT, Meta's Llama model, or Google's Gemini. Finally, we have the general AI. Ever watched Terminator or played Detroit Become Human video game? Yeah, as you taught, this AI is believed to be able to take over the world without human intervention, but is still widely depicted in movies. You realize that getting used to artificial intelligence at its early stage, even though has a potential to replace many jobs, can still open more new ones for humans in the future, some including artificial intelligence prompt engineer, artificial intelligence researcher, and many more. The key to the future is simply balancing your need to research on AI and its potentials flying ahead of you. This way you'd be able to get a quick and smooth grasp of the context. Make sure to also peep in whatever tech trend you see, and you'd get a hang of it in no time. And then boom, you're well on your way to a great future with the AI trend. So remember to always cut out time for learning, and never forget that artificial intelligence isn't coming to replace you, but just to augment your daily tasks. So there you have it. Thank you to all my loyal subscribers and friends, and to those who watched this video to the end. Please follow, like, and subscribe. Bye.